Hey YouTube! Alright guys, welcome back. Today I have my niece Genevieve. We call her Vivaru, or Rue, as I like to call her. And we are going to do the Farm Trivia Challenge today. And what that means is me and her have both come up with a list, a secret list, for the... Sorry, I hear the storm alarms. Okay, so we have both come up with 5 questions each about like farm life or horses or other stuff. Anyways, and we're going to ask each other these questions. They are multiple choice, so let's see who wins. Would you like to go first?
Sure. Are we going to go, like, I asked you a question and then you asked me and then...
Yeah,
okay.
We'll do that.
What was the first domesticated bird by man? Goose, chicken, pigeon, or eagle?
Goose.
Yes.
I saw that on the quiz yesterday.
I know, me too.
Okay. At what age do horses' teeth stop growing? A, 12 years old. C, yes, I know my alphabet. Okay. A, 12 years old. B, never. C, 1 year. Or D, 7 years.
12.
Horses' teeth never stop growing.
Okay. How many eggs does an average chicken lay each year? 127, 225, or 523, or 401?
227.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How many times a year do you harvest hay? A, 1, B, 5, C, 3, P.O. D, 2.
Wait, what were the first 2 answers?
A, 1, B, 5, C, 3, P.O. and D, 2.
5?
2. You harvest hay twice a year, at least on our farm.
Okay. What is the most eaten meat in the world? Chicken, pork, tuna, and turkey.
I want to say pork because it's cheap.
Yes.
Ah! I'm killing it. Alright. This one's going to be tricky.
Oh no.
Ooh, that was lightning. What is the bottom of... And that was thunder. More thunder. Okay. What is the bottom of a horse's hoof called? A, bottom. B, heel. C, frog. Or D, toe.
Frog.
Yes! Good job!
Okay. Okay, this is a guess how many. Guess how many feathers mature turkeys have.
How many feathers? Dude, turkeys have so many This is supposed to be multiple choice, is it not?
No, it's not. Okay, I'll make it. Okay. 300, 3,500, 350, 4,600, 750, or 7,300.
A.
3,500?
Sure.
Yep.
Ah! I took a guess. I'm killing it. Alright. On a Western style saddle, what is the thing that protrudes from the front? Is it A, a horn, B, a ball, C, a holder, or D, learner's hold?
Learner's hold?
It's the horn. Saddle horn.
Okay. Are horses counted as pets? Yes or no? Do most people call them pets?
Yes.
You got them all right.
Hey, yay! Okay, your last question. How long does it take for a chicken to form an egg? A, 2 days, B, 1 day, C, 3 hours, D, a week.
3 hours.
A day. It takes 24 hours for a chicken to form an egg.
I got one right.
You got one right. Yay! That was fun. I can't believe I got all those right. I did not see her list, I swear. And she
I didn't even have the answers on it.
Well, it wouldn't have helped me anyways if I had looked. Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you would like to see more videos of like trivia stuff or something, or even my niece just coming in to visit now and then, let us know down in the comments below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!